Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll analyze the price of Decentraland MANA. Yesterday I analyzed the sandbox and I put a link into the description down below. I believe these two altcoins deserve our attention because in 2021 they registered massive pumps. And we will see about MANA right now. If you guys like the content, don't forget to subscribe. It helps a lot this channel to grow. Give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 6th April 2024 and Decentraland MANA it is at about 0.5897 US dollars. The market cap it is more than 1.12 billion US dollars and it is on 91 position here on CoinMarketCap, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is about 43.81 million US dollars and it is on 132 position here on CoinMarketCap. The volume in the last 24 hours it is not so impressive. It had a decrease of about 35% in the last 24 hours. And about Decentraland, it is a gaming project, as you well know. Decentraland MANA defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, experience and monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land that they can later navigate, build upon and monetize. That sounds very interesting, and we will see about MANA token, what it is, the price action, and for this we will use TradingView. We have Decentraland paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from Binance. And to have an initial measurement from October last year to the recent top that was on 11 March, we have 200% in 143 days. That it is a little bit low from what I measured in my previous video. The average was between 500 and 800% on those altcoins. MANA just 200% in the same period of time. What is going on? Why I choose this period of time? Because Bitcoin started to pump impressively from September or October last year. Let's see more exactly. We have Bitcoin USD. I'll put the chart here and you can see very clearly Bitcoin start to pump aggressively since the fall of last year, since October. And on most altcoins that I presented here on the channel, I took this measurement. So MANA 200%, Sandbox also 200%. What's going on with these tokens? They registered massive pumps in 2021 and we will see what I'm talking about in the minutes later. I don't know what's going on. Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me why MANA had such a small increase in price since October till this top that were in March 2024. And let's see more recent price increase from February till 11 or 10 March. We have 93% in about a month. Okay, let's see some indicators, and for this we will use the 20 and 50 simple moving average here on daily. And as you can see, the current price it is below those two simple moving averages. Right now we have a almost 0.59 and 20 simple moving average on daily it is 0.63, and the 50 simple moving average here on daily it is 0.62. And if we choose the 100 SMA, we can see that the price it is above the 100 SMA. It is some sort of a channel between 120, where the price it is from 16 March, and goes up, tested more than once the 20 SMA as a resistance. It had the rejection, and right now I don't know what's going on, if we'll test again the 20 SMA or we'll go to 100 SMA. Right now 100 SMA it is at 0.54 US dollars. Okay, let's look on other indicators on RSI and stochastic RSI. On daily both are bearish. RSI it is in a downtrend since 11 March, and stochastic RSI it is in oversold area. It seems that it has a tendency to turn and go up, but we will see in the next days what will happen with this indicator and also with the price. Okay, and let's go on weekly and see what's going on there. And on weekly RSI, it is a little bit in a downtrend since 4 March, and overall from October it is an uptrend. And the stochastic RSI, it is also bearish, it is in downtrend. And let's look on simple moving averages here on weekly and see what's going on. The 20 simple moving average, I told you in the previous video that I personally consider an important indicator that tells us if the price movement is bullish or bearish. The price action tested a few times this level here on the end of January and also in February. It got a pump upwards, and it seems that it wants to test again. We don't know exactly what will happen. Right now the price is 0.59 almost, and the 20 simple moving average on weekly, it is 0.53. And let's look also 100 simple moving average on weekly, and as you can see, 100 SMA, it is a support from the beginning of January, last 5 weeks including this one. We will see if the price will go downwards, but one good sign on this chart, it is that 20 SMA, it is heading to a golden cross. It tends to intersect the 100 SMA below and form the golden cross, and after a golden cross usually the price pumps. So basically for now we have two supports, but if both 20 and 100 SMA on weekly will fail, I believe the next will be 50 SMA. That is currently at 0.44. We will see about this if the 50 SMA will hold. And the RSI on weekly, it is a little bearish from 4 March. It tends to go downwards. Overall from October, the moving average, it is in uptrend, and let's hope that it will maintain this trend. Stochastic RSI, it is bearish, and on weekly this is the situation. Let's look on that massive increase in price that I promised you at the beginning of the video, and from this minimum level we have an increase at about 49,900% in 630 days, almost 50,000%. So that is massive. I don't know if it is a record that I measured here in Crypto Possible channel. And as we want to compare with the Sandbox, and we measured about the same period of time from October 2020 till October 2021, it is an increase of 10,783% in 392 days. So in the same period of time, Sandbox increased more, from what I remember, around 20,000. So this is the situation. That's why Mana and Sandbox were favorite tokens among gamers, among crypto enthusiasts back in 2020 and 2021. The ones that invested earlier took their profits and were very happy. Okay, let's see on monthly what waits here. And RSI on monthly, it's looking not so good. It is bearish. Stochastic RSI, it is bullish. I believe if stochastic RSI will stay at this level in the overbought and RSI will go upwards, I believe Decentraland MANA will have some impressive pumps. We will see about this. And if I put the 20 and 50 monthly SMAs, as you can see, the 20 monthly SMA, it is a support right now, and the 50 SMA, it is a resistance. It tested on March. We have this big wick, so the volatility was pretty high, and right now the price, it is in downtrend. This month in April we'll see if we'll test the 20 monthly SMA. Right now the 20 monthly SMA is at 0.5, and the 50 SMA, it is at 0.83. Okay, let's look for curiosity at 1 year chart, 12 months, and as you can see we have this big green candle, and we can have a measurement. It is at about 9,682% in 1 whole year. That was, let's see, the 2021, as we all expected by that measurement, and only the body of this candle, it is at 4,091%. Very, very impressive. Overall, the trend seems to be upwards, but we will see if Mana will manage to have such big price pumps like it had in 2021. Okay, for curiosity, let's go also on weekly and see what's the performance of Mana against Bitcoin. And I'll choose the chart also on Binance. And as you can see, from 2021, Mana, it is devaluating against Bitcoin, with a few exceptions. Of course, we have here a pump that it is 86%, also here a pump that it is about 100%, also here a small pump that it is about 47%. Not so impressive, but overall, since November 2021, Mana against Bitcoin, it is in downtrend. And if we put the 20 weekly simple moving average, it is as resistance, exception a few times when stood above this level in January 2023 and also in November, but in the end managed to get below the 20 SMA. Okay, that's the situation, that's the reality. But if we look more in the past, we can see that Mana was pumping against Bitcoin 779% in 35 days. That was in November 2021. The reality is that Bitcoin stood very, very well against major altcoins. Okay, let's look also on the current situation today with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, as you well know, has an influence on all crypto market. Bitcoin today, it is 68.3k. Last week had ups and downs between 66 and 70k. We are at 74 with fear and greed index. We are at greed. We have 13 days till Bitcoin halving, and right now Bitcoin dominance, it is 52.6%, a small decrease since yesterday when it was 52.7%. And the global crypto market cap, it is 2.54 trillion, an increase of 0.59% over the last day. The overall situation with stock market, because this one influences the Bitcoin status. This is a whole chain. Stock market influences the Bitcoin, Bitcoin influences the altcoins. So it is good to know about this. S&P 500, it is an uptrend. If we look on daily and weekly, Dow Jones, it is an uptrend. Nasdaq stays very, very well. Gold also registered new all-time high. Last days it exceeded $2,300 per ounce. 1 troy ounce, it is at about 31.1 grams. So it seems that our fiat money are devaluating, but this is another story. If you believe that Mana will have another pump like it had in 2021, leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me about this. Tell me if you are monitoring the price of this token, and tell me why. You can also check my previous video from yesterday about Sandbox if you want to compare this to analysis. And thank you for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave some comments in the comment section down below. And till next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.